Okay, so this is my desktop at a glance. Here we have my beautiful wallpaper that I got from GitHub. This is BSPWM. I have my Polybar here, my terminal. All of my .files are available at github.com/icqednix/.files. These are very outdated. I need to update it. My dunst configuration is a slightly modified version of this guy's of Ghost ZK's one, so you can check his .files up at github.com/ghostzk/.files. Yeah. So you may be wondering, there are some problems with trying to make rounded corners on BSPWM. I fixed that first by probably the main method is because I edited my BSPWM-RC in a specific way. So if we go to our BSPWM-RC, we will see that I have made the border width 0, so it won't show at all. And this can be any color because it won't show. Window gaps are 17. Start launch is just launching my applications. Just launches Polybar here. Yeah, pretty standard config. Starts SXHKD. My workspace is right here. Yeah, so then for the actual random corners, I used obviously PyCom, but not normal PyCom for the Arch repositories. I used PyJulius's one that has animations. So yeah, I don't have any blurring. I used Xrender, and then my corners are 10. So yeah, apart from that, there's nothing here that actually matters. Actually, I'm gonna set this to false. So I'm just gonna set that to false and just test that. Yeah, that looks way better. Okay, wait, no, not really, but okay, whatever. So I have W logout for logging out, shutting down, reboot, all that. I use W logout. My wallpaper setter is nitrogen. So yeah, I use that. So yeah, I can set my wallpaper to, let's say, this one, which I also really like. And if we go here, you can see that it's changed. I use Pipewire, so I can just do this, bam, bam. Obviously I have a connection. This is my Polybar config. You don't see it. Here it is. Here's my Polybar config. I don't know why it has that. I can delete that. Save and quit. For my neofetch, my fetch script is called niche. Yeah, my terminal emulator is Alacrity. My rofi theme I use boxes for my, like, you know, mail client. I use Thunderbird. For my dock, I use Plank. Obviously, I use some GNOME tools. I don't know why I have XFCE apps. I don't know why. I have Conky, but I just never use it because it lags out. I have Firefox. No Firefox CSS. Just normal. Octopi, all of that. So yeah, this rice took me, I don't know, I've been slowly working on it for like a few months, but I think this is gonna be like my almost final iteration of my rice, and then I'm gonna update that onto my GitHub repository, and then everyone can clone it. I'll make an install script, all that. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Please subscribe. I hope you liked my rice. Please leave a like and comment. Thank you.